Paw Patrol Walkie Talkies. Chase and Marshall to the rescue. Kid-friendly, easy-to-use controls. Indoor or outdoor use. These walkie-talkies take 2 AAA batteries each, and they're not included, so be prepared. Let's put these in. To turn these on, you need to flip the button on the back in the upright position. Easy to use, push and hold to talk buttons. These work up to 1,000 feet apart. When you hold these too close together, they will make a very loud sound you don't want to hear. Testing my mic. Testing my mic. 10-4, man. Marshall, come in. Marshall. Chase. Police communicator shape with real sculpted character design. Chase and Marshall to the rescue.